Hi learners, this is Prof. Bambi and welcome to my research class. Sa video nito ay magbabahagi ako ng tips o yung mga dapat tandaan o mga dapat gawin in writing your research paper or your thesis. So without further ado, let's start. First tip, clear language. Hindi naman talaga na dapat into the highest level na mga salita yung gagamitin sa pagsusulat. As long as scholarly written, clear o maintindihan ng mga readers or other researchers ang paper mo. So do not overthink about it. If your concern is the grammar, then Grammarly can help you. Second tip, use transitional devices. Gumamit ng transitional devices to organize your ideas or statements. Mas mapapadali ang pag-unawa ng readers kapag gumamit ka ng mga transitional devices. To connect a thought to another thought, then it's better to use a transitional device. And remember to use transitional devices correctly or appropriately. Third tip, the recency. Actually, di naman talaga required na reason talaga. Pero may mga schools na dapat this year minus 5 years or this year minus 10 years yung time frame na kinoconsider for citation. Bakit sinasuggest na recent yung years? Kasi nagbabago ang impormasyon. Yung impormasyon noon ay maaring nag-iba o hindi na relevant or applicable ngayon. Pero may mga exceptions naman, lalong-lalo na sa theory base. Fourth tip, pages for introduction. Still, walang nire-require na pages pero may mga school na nagli-limit to 2 to 3 pages only. May iba naman na depende sa gagamitin na technique in writing introduction. But I suggest hindi masyadong maikli at hindi naman masyadong mahaba. And I go for 2 to 3 pages for introduction. Fifth tip, don't overwhelm with citations. Yes, mahalaga na dapat i-cite natin yung information kung saan o kay sino ito nanggaling. Pero remember na hindi paramihan ng citations ang research paper, lalo na sa introduction part. Use citations strategically to support your arguments and to provide evidence. At lastly, do not rush. Ito ang isa sa pinakamahirap sundin. Remember, hindi mo matatapos ang lahat ng isang gabi lang. Rushing through the writing process can lead to errors. Allocate sufficient time for researching, writing, and revising your paper meticulously. So yun po ang 6 na tips that you need to consider in writing your research paper. So don't forget to subscribe to join my class, and this is Prof. Bambi, and class, you may now dismiss. Bye-bye.